Welcome everyone to the next video in our Deuteros playlist. I've got to remember which one it was. I'm dealing with a few now. But this is the Deuteros playlist. This is the multiplayer game that we're developing. Just a browser-based game based on one of the classic games of my generation growing up at the early 90s. A game called Deuteros. But we're going to make like a multiplayer version in the browser. And we've been employing different techniques to try and make that work and change. Obviously, with it being multiplayer from a single player, you have to change the game mechanics a bit, and we've done a bit of that in the previous videos. Maybe if we let's fix that modal. Let's make that a redirect where it's currently a modal on here. So what I'm going to do is log out, which I don't know whether that works. Does that work? Oh yeah, it just doesn't redirect. Okay, so let's log in. Let's log in here. Let's log in with, what was the username for that? That's not good, is it? We need to put a duplicate on that. Let's do that. So let's just do a rollback. So that should be clear. Yeah. Oh. So let's what's the best way to do that? If we go to users table, usernames, let's put a unique on there. Okay, so let's do a migrate. So I should now have a migration of a user, but I didn't see it in the config. Let's have a look. So find Carney. No. So where's that seeding from? Is that recipes, bodies, races? Oh, it's here. I've just got it hard coded here. So the password is password, username is Carney. Okay. So Carney. Password. Login. No, not having that. Oh, yeah, okay, it's logged in. So this is it. I don't like this. I can reload this and it'll still show this modal, but let's put this onto a different route. So let's have a look at how the routes are working. I think that'll probably be in here, is it? Oh no, it's inertia, so we are using normal routes. Cool. Oh, I need to come back on this actually. There's something else I want to do, and I might do it in the next video. So let's have a look. Users has race route. So it's this here. I think it's this middleware has race. Let's have a look. Yeah. So if the user, see that exclamation says not. So if the user doesn't have a race, redirect to base. So I don't want to redirect it to base. I want to redirect it to what would be a good URL? Choose race. Choose race, I think is better. So now when I load this, it should try to find that URL and fail. Hopefully we'll get a 404. Oh. We didn't get a 404. So no race is set. But it's not redirecting to... Oh, because that that middleware didn't apply to base because we obviously you can't redirect to a place where you're trying to redirect to, or you can't put a preventative thing to redirect because you just have a loop. So we need to apply has race to this route as well. So we can just put that inside the middleware has race, and that now should work, I think. Yeah, 404 choose race not found. Brilliant. That's what we want. So now we can have a route outside here. I'm going to change it actually. Choose race. No, it's okay. No, we'll leave it. So route get choose race, and that will go to we're effectively editing the user, aren't we? So we could throw that to the user controller, to the I know a lot of people out there will be saying throw it to the edit and then just show a particular view, but I don't want to do that. I want a specific method. So we're going to call it choose race, user controller choose race, and we'll call that name choose hyphen race. In fact, we'll call it users dot choose race. So now we should get a 50. Oh, is it still a 404? Undefined class constant choose race. Oh yeah, sorry. Class choose race. Why is that not working? Oh, I have to put that into square brackets, don't I? There we go. Yeah, choose race does not exist. That's fine. So now we can go into our users, controllers. I wonder if we should make its own controller, actually. Do you know what? I think we should. Let's make a new controller in there. That just feels tidier. PHP artisan make controller so that'll be in users race controller. Sweet. Let's go into our root. Nice. And yeah, we can do that now as edit. I don't mind that. Let's get rid of this import. Okay, so race controller edit. So now if we go to, we can just put a public function edit, and we can have a user just a user at this point, isn't it? And then we'll return inertia render, and what was I returning? What do I return in here? Come on, give me something. Just base. So if I say pages, it's going to users, and then we can call this choose race. users race edit. Okay, so if we see that, we're good. Users race edit. Let's see if we can make that work. Users race edit. And user. User does not exist. Oh yeah, I've got to qualify that with me. So let's import the app models user class there. Sweet. Let's reload, and we have an error. Hey, cannot find module users race edit. Oh. Silly me, I forgot to put the run on. Yay! Choose race. So now even if I try to go to base, choose race, perfect. So from that base page, if we lift this, X can get rid of that, and well, basically we can just say that. And so if I go to edit, oh, better put that inside a div. Okay, that's fine. It works as a modal, but property or method, yeah, property, we need to pull that across from the base file, don't we, which is here. So we need to copy this mounted, comment that here, see if that works. Oh, we need to get the data on that as well. So data yeah, so it looks like I'm going to have to reload it every time for some strange reason. I don't know why. Might as well just run npm run dev. Oh, that's going to be annoying. I don't want to do that. Anyway, other news that I want to do, and I don't really want to do it on stream because it's more of a admin based thing, and it's to do with installing Laravel Jetstream onto the app rather than just what it is now. So at the minute it uses inertia inside of a Laravel system. Laravel Jetstream is like, it can use inertia or another framework called Livewire, which is a different way of moving data around. But it comes with more sort of features out the box, like, you know, the user registration's a bit slicker, and you can have a team set up, which might work out well for the game. But it's a really faffy install, and I may have to actually install from scratch because I've tried to do an upgrade on another site with Jetstream. Doesn't want to know. It really does mess things up. I think you can only really do it from scratch. So what I might do after this video is I'll rebuild this game with Jetstream and then put in everything up to date, so that we're still using the same sort of timeline as to where we are, but we'll be referencing Laravel's Jetstream stuff whenever authentication stuff comes in. It doesn't make sense for me to be doing that online because it's faffy, and if you're just following along to see the game develop, then you'll be able to. You don't want to see that on a stream. If you are actually coding along, then you can do the Jetstream in your own time. Just rebuild a new project, immediately put Jetstream in there with inertia and teams, and then just go through my videos and just copy the code accordingly. If I find any gotchas when I've done that, I'll put it on the next vid. In fact, I might make a short video just to summarize the actual process of doing it without actually doing it. And then if you want to follow along with that, you can. Anyway, that's for the next video. So let's reload this. Property or method user not defined. Okay. So that's this user here. So we need to go back to base. Oh, it was a prop. That's why. Oh, let's grab that layout while we're there. Oh, we need to run the dev again. Okay, let's reload that. Got array. So let me go to the original base controller. Let's see what it passed in. So yeah. Yes, that isn't going to work, is it? We need to get the authenticated user in the system, which is fine. Okay, so no errors, and we have our list. We can get it out of the modal now, though. So what we can do is just, so that'll be a title, and then we can let's just get rid of this here. Ooh. And again, let's run npm run dev. Okay, let's go back to our page. Oh, what happened there? Reload. Okay, cool. Oh, I've put some kind of modal background in, haven't I? Ah, that's what that is. Okay, let's reload this one. Yeah, better. Okay. So humans, proximans. So I'm assuming now, if I pick one, yeah, it now takes me to base the way it did. So I'm happy with that. That's cool. That works. We'll leave it there. As I say, in the next video, we'll just summarize my upgrade to Laravel Jetstream with inertia and teams, and that'll just be a summary of that process, and hopefully we'll be where we are now, but with all that infrastructure in place that we can use going forward. So appreciate you watching this video. Thanks for watching. I promise we will get more done in the future. Um, Part of the problem with developing this site is just keeping up with tech as much as actually doing the coding as well. But thanks for following. Oh, sorry, thanks for watching the video. If you like or you want to see more videos like this, please click the follow button or the subscribe button. And we'll see you in the next video.